¿Qué es mejor? ¿Café o té? ¿Qué es mejor? ¿Café o té? Which is better, coffee or tea? Which one is better? Which one is better? Respuesta, answer. Ralph Marquez, bebo una taza al día. Great answer. I drink a cup a day. That's good. Same as me. Well, I have my coffee mug is quite big. Mi taza para el café es bastante grande. So it's probably 2 cups. 2 cups. Es probablemente 2 tazas. 2 tazas. Okay. Now, ¿qué es mejor? This question right here, the beginning of the question, ¿qué es mejor? ¿Qué es mejor? This is a great question if you want to ask someone what's better or which is better. Okay? And then obviously you can replace café or té with something else, coffee or tea. I don't know, it could be anything else that you want to compare or you want to ask someone which one is better. Which one is better? And in this situation we have café, coffee, o té. Té means tea, of course, tea. Té. Remember the accent mark, because if you don't have the accent mark, it means something else. It means it's an indirect object pronoun and it means you. Okay? So it means also for you, to you, in some situations. But if you see the accent mark here, el acento, la tilde, that means tea. Tea. So which one is better, guys? What do you like? I like, a mí me gusta. Oops, let me just remove the invisible layer again. A mí me gusta más el café. Okay, this is an answer. A mí me gusta means I like. I know it's like a long phrase to say just I like. A mí me gusta. In this situation, we're adding más. And that's because we're asking which one is better. What do you like the most? You know, what do you prefer? Coffee or tea? ¿Qué es mejor, café o té? And if you say más, that means more. So it will be similar to saying I like more, right? In this situation, we have café, el café. El café means coffee. So you're saying I like coffee more. Okay? I like coffee more. A mí me gusta más el café. So you need más after gusta. Okay? A mí me gusta, I like, más, more, el café, coffee. Okay? Or if it's the opposite, el té. Oops, that's not té. Té. I like tea more. Okay? I like tea more. If you like both, if you like coffee and tea, which is my case, I drink both on like daily, every day. I usually drink coffee in the morning and tea in the afternoon. You can say, a mí me gusta. A mí me gustan los dos. Okay? A mí me gustan, and I'm saying gustan because you're talking about two drinks, right? A mí me gustan los dos. I like both. Both in Spanish can also be, in this situation, you're saying the two, right? I like the two of them. I like the two of them. But it's similar to saying I like both. A more literal translation of both is ambos. And I'm saying ambos. A mí me gustan ambos. Okay? And I'm saying ambos because ambos means both. And also it's masculine because we're talking about two beverages, right? Two drinks. And el café, el té, both are masculine. And that's why we're saying ambos. And usually when you have a group of things or people, you use the masculine form. You don't say just feminine or masculine. Well, it's masculine, pretty much just masculine. Yes. You can change it to feminine if you are calling coffee and tea beverages. So you can say, a mí me gustan ambas bebidas. And that's because bebidas means drinks, beverages, and bebidas is feminine, las bebidas. So that's why we're saying ambas bebidas, okay? But if you want to keep it short, ambos. Ambos. It's a group, it will be masculine. That's the way it works in Spanish. Siempre prefiero el café. Lindsay is saying that. Siempre prefiero el café. That's great. Great answer. It's perfect. Siempre prefiero el café. I know that it's hard to do the upside down, to type the upside down exclamation mark, but in Spanish it's also commonly, it's a common thing to see Spanish speakers not using the upside down exclamation mark when chatting, online. So perfect answer, Lindsay. Thank you so much for sharing. Now, if you don't like neither, if you don't like coffee, you don't like tea, so you can say, a mí no. So you just need to add no me gustan. Ambos. You can say ambos, or you can just say, a mí no me gustan. Just like that. A mí no me gustan. And this means I don't like them. Or I don't like either, right? I just, no, thank you. A mí no me gustan. I don't like them. So that's the opposite, of course. Or you can say, I love coffee and I hate tea, right? Let's say that. Amo el café y el té lo odio. Or you can say y odio. Both ways work. Odio el té. If you have a very clear answer and you really hate, if you hate tea and you love coffee, you can say that. I love coffee and hate tea. I mean, you don't need a comma there. That's the literal translation. Amo el café. I love coffee. Yo amo el café. Same thing. You can insert yo at the beginning. Not necessary, but you can. Yo amo el café. Amo el café. I love coffee. Y odio el té. And hate, or I hate tea. Okay. And this is a very expressive way to say that you love something, and obviously it's the literal translation, and it's very expressive. You can say you love something and you hate the other, right? So this is an interesting answer that you can say, of course, if you want to express your opinion. And siempre prefiero el café. I like that one too. Siempre prefiero el ... Okay, it could be coffee or tea. I always prefer ... So you can just say el café, or el té, right? Coffee in this situation. Don't forget el. Usually when you talk about coffee, you need el. When you talk about tea, you need el as well. El té, el café. Okay? You can say in this situation, yo siempre prefiero café. It works, but you will commonly hear el café, el té. Amo el café, amo el té. Odio el café, odio el té. Okay?